Yeah, my name is Ibrahim Dai. I'm the head of global business development at Talking Data. So Talking Data is the largest data service provider in China. So we provide a bunch of big data product and services and data to help our clients accelerate their business success in China. So we provide the most objective and accurate market data to help people keep updated with the development of the whole market. And we provide analytics and tracking and those products to help people engage into the mobile business in China. Majority of the Chinese developers, they're using our products right now. And we are the only third-party ad tracking platform in China that has integrated with all the major app stores and ad networks in China. So most of the performance advertisers, they're using our ad tracking platform as a third-party tracking solution. So, and also we opened our DMP, mobile DMP last year. It is a huge audience database. The aggregating the behavioral data that we collect. We open it to enable the DSP and advertisers to focus on the ROI, to do targeting and retargeting, to increase the ROI for their marketing campaigns. Most of our clients are from China, but we did see some cross-border opportunities right now. Chinese developers and Chinese companies are seizing the traffic and opportunities outside of China. We position us as a bridge, linking these two markets together. Using our tool and data, we can help the Chinese developers to track their performance while they are doing their campaigns out in the Western market. And we provide also consulting data and the right localized product to help Western developers entering the Chinese market and doing business here. We did see the trend that most of the demand side and the supply side, they're kind of focused more on the ROI. By ROI driven, they want to provide the right resources to the right audience at the right time. And what's the engine behind this is data. By data you can find the right target audience at the right time. Eventually help the whole ecosystem working. So there are limited resources and. Traditional media buying, the CPI and the cost is increasing crazily high, and people are getting more rational. So they will focus more on the data side, and they want to buy the resources to the right audience. So I think data will play definitely the key role in the next 5 years. For 2015, there will be more and more, developers. They're leveraging. They will put more investment and efforts on the analytics and data-driven process, because at only just simply buying users and doing some kind of rough user acquisition, they want to spend their money more smart. So they need leverage some data-driven process, doing some in-depth analytics to understand their audience, what they like, where to find the right audience at the right time. So they will leverage more and more data-driven process.